What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, and I'm excited to introduce to you guys this video proc that I'm going to review. Now this video proc is an all-in-one video software that edit videos, burn videos to DVD, download videos from all different sites such as YouTube, Facebook, etc. And also this is a video recorder. So this video was sponsored by DJRT and they have sent me this product to actually review for you guys. And I'm going to go through all of the product's features for you guys. And also you can download this in the description box. I put a link to this software in the description. So guys, make sure that you go over to their website and download this software. I put a link in the description because they are giving away a free trial of this software. So make sure that you take this opportunity to download the software now to make use of a free trial. So first, what I'm going to do now guys is to basically go over the features of this video. So as you can see, the first features, which is the main purpose of this video, is the video processing features. So I'm going to go into the processing features right now and show you guys. So in the processing features, what you can do basically is add all your video files into this right here. And some of the features this of is basically you can convert all your files to different format. So these are the most popular format that you can convert your file to. You can convert your file to 4K, MP3, MP4, to your phone, whether it be Android, iPhone, 4K, and also these are some other video formats such as MKV, AVI, and those other type of video format that you can convert your videos to. Also, you can convert your videos file to different devices depending on the type of device you are using. Also, if you want a more target conversion, you can look up here to see the selected device that you are using to convert all your video files to. So to get this done, what you need to do is to click on video right here, and what you can do basically to add a video file to this software right here. So I'm going to select on at least 3 video file and I'm going to open. Right, so now we have 3 video files in this software right here. So what this software can do is can add effects, watermark, it can cut, it can crop, it can rotate, and also add subtitles. Right here is the option. You have the option that you can convert all of these video files to. So we can convert the frames, we keep it at 60 frames, 30 frames, depending on the type of video conversion that you want this video to convert to. So this is basically some video codecs in which you can convert your video file to keep it to different format. So these are basically some aspect ratio, some resolution, some frame rates, and also for some audio, different type of audio and those things guys. So let us look at the effects and the editing of clip in this software right here. So when I go to effects guys, there are a lot of effects that you can choose on your videos. So this is a grayscale effects. So whereas that the video have a different color right there, color grading. So you can choose different effects and you can dial in over here and choose the brightness of your video and those things. Also you can add subtitles, so you can also add a file of a subtitle in the video right here. Next thing that you can do guys is to cut your videos, trim your videos basically. So you can crop it, or you can cut your videos. So basically you can cut your videos guys to different time frame on this platform right here, depending on where you want to cut off some part of your videos. Also guys, the next thing that you can do with this software is to basically crop your videos. So if you have a video file right here, you can crop it. Let me pause this a bit. So what I'm going to do basically is to enable crop right here, and I can also crop in with this right here to see or crop my videos in whichever way that I want to crop it. And also you can add the watermarks to your videos, right? Enable watermark, so I can also add watermark to my videos right there. And this is the watermark that I've added to this video right here guys, so I can put it anywhere in the video that I want it to. And those are some of the features of this software so far. So once you have finished edit your videos and you realize that there are different files you can edit at each time, what you can do is to run this file and convert it into any one of these version format. You can convert this into any of these formats that you want it to convert into. And next important thing to consider, and the thing that I love about the software, is that it's very simple to use. So if you're a beginner who want to just cut your videos, add some effects, put on some watermark and those things, this is basically the perfect video editing software, guys, for you. And the reason I said that is because I can go over each clip right here and edit them and cut them. And in the end, after I have finished cut all of these files right here, what I can do is merge them. So when I click on merge right there, all of the entire file that I have edited in the software right here will merge and complete as one file. Then what I would do is to change the format, or choose the format in which I want to export my file in. So because I'm uploading my video to YouTube, it's right here. Go to video. I want to upload my video in 4K quality. I click on 4K quality right here, and I also run this right here. And you can see that this software is now being exported, and the processor hardware that this is using is my CPU. So it depending on the speed or the hardware of your computer, you will choose the best option to process your video, whichever hardware is the fastest on your computer. So for my computer, the CPU is the fastest, so it's basically using the CPU to convert this file. You can also use the Intel or any other graphics card in the computer. So this is basically running. So guys, I'm gonna show you another features of this software right here. Another features of this software right here, guys, it have a DVD conversion and backup. So whenever you have created your files, guys, and you want to store them on a DVD, you can use this software right here. All you have to do is to drag and click the file right here, and after you put the file right in here, make sure that the CD is in your computer, and you can also run this to store it on your DVD. Very simple, guys, and easy. And this is one of the features that I love about this also. Also, not only video format, you can also use to create ISO files, such as backup of Windows and other software, guys, that you want to store on. Now the next features that I want to look at of the software, which one of the most important features that I would love, is to basically download videos. Now this downloader can be used on any site, such as Facebook, YouTube, and any other site that person upload videos on. This can be used on several different sites. So this basically can use to download videos and music. So you can go on your favorite music site to download music, and your favorite site to download videos. All you have to do is click on this right here and paste the URL right on here. So what you might do is to go on a site and copy the URL of any other site and paste it right in here, guys. So once you paste it, you will be able to download videos from any of one of those sites. Now the next feature that I want to talk about is one of the most important features for if you are a gamer or if you are a person who want to just showcase your screen, doing some screen record for some tutorials and those things. This is one of the software that you can use to do some screen recording, and this is basically great for recording screen. So what you can do is to click on this right here, and let us go into details of this right now, which is very interesting, guys, because this not only can record your screen, but it also can use your webcam. So this basically have three features that you can use. You can record your screen, you can record webcam, but guys, it can also record both your screen and webcam at a time. So basically you can be doing a tutorial and use this to basically record your screen, and guys, and you're seeing yourself at the same time. This is basically amazing. I haven't seen any other software that basically do this, but this is basically a great features, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are loving this type of software. And this is one of the reasons I said I'm really excited to show you guys this software that is really great in terms of doing all those things, guys. So guys, make sure that you click the link in the description and to check out the software, because they are giving a free giveaway on their website to use the software. So guys, make sure that you go now because this software has a limited time. So make sure you click the link in the description to go to the website to download this software. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any further questions in terms of this software and what it can do, I will respond to those questions. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please share it with a friend, spread the words, and as always, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Peace out.